It's like, yeah. I am get back all those donkeys after stuff for me. Excuse me. Oh god, the blanket. Oh. Blanket the blanket. Oh. No purring. That's what cats do. So yeah, I forgot to drink this can last week, but good thing good thing I'll be drinking this can of Diet Pepsi caffeine free because I drank Diet Pepsi last week. I think last Friday. So good thing I'm gonna be drinking this because this was the only can of Diet Pepsi caffeine free left.